Okay, we're going to use 3ds Max today. When you double click it, you'll get the little circle. It's going to start opening up. What you need to do is just be patient and wait. Don't keep clicking it. Your computer's working as fast as it can. So you'll get some windows will open up, like these windows that are about to come up. And what you need to do is close them or continue, depending on what the button says to do. Once again, it takes a little while to open up. You just have to be patient. So we're going to go close on this one and continue on this one. And here's 3ds Max. Now, when I'm working today, when this symbol comes up and I say stop, you need to stop the video, go and do what I tell you to do, and then come back and watch the next bit. So let's start off. 3ds Max starts off with 4 different views, and you'll notice this yellow rectangle that follows me around while I explain while I point to the different views. I'll just show you what's going on here. I'll click on box. This is in the create menu here. Create, click on the object box. I'm going to drag out a box. And what you see here is you see the box in the perspective view. It's just wireframe in the front view, so you just see the line. Top view, wireframe again, you just see the outline, and left view, wireframe. We want to have this full frame on the perspective, so you make sure that you've clicked with the yellow box around perspective, the yellow rectangle around perspective, and then you go Option W on your keyboard and you get full screen. Stop the video. Okay, here we are. Hopefully you've stopped the video, you've gone and done that. Here's the next bit. Over here is the view cube, and if I click on the view cube, I can see that box in any direction, upside down, underneath it, all around, all in 3D. You can zoom in and out with the scroll wheel on your mouse. If you get lost and you've zoomed right in, you don't know where you are, you go up here and you click home, and the home will take you back to where you started. Okay, there's three different options on the keyboard, or shortcuts, that you'll be using today. One of them is W. W is move, and you can move this box any which way on any of 3 axes, or you can go in between 2 of them and you can move it in 2 axes at a time. Okay? The next one is E, is rotate. You can rotate in any of the 3 axes. Alright, or free rotate if you click on this outside one. Okay, and the next one is R. R is scale. If you go in the middle of the 3 and they're all yellow, it scales all together, up and down. If you go between 2, you can scale in 2 directions at once. And if you just click on the line, you can just scale in whatever direction it is that you've chosen. So, we've got create stuff. We can create spheres, donutty torus things, cones. Some have got more than one click. We can rotate around, and then you can also select each one and use the 3 keys W, E and R to move, rotate and scale. Now look, I'll just show you something with the sphere. Let's say when I've got it selected sphere, I'm making spheres every time I click. When I've had enough of that and I want to start selecting things, you need to right click, and then you're able to come back and select these objects and go W to move, E to rotate and R to scale. And that's all you need to do for this first lesson. Make a little scene, use some different shapes, scale, rotate and move them. And that's it.